Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the Microsoft Copilot icon to your desktop and taskbar for quick and easy access. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Copilot. Once the page loads, you'll want to look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu gives you access to various settings and features for managing how you interact with Copilot. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. This section contains all the tools you need to save Copilot in different ways, making it more accessible for your daily use. Clicking this will open up additional options specifically designed for sharing and saving the page. Now within this submenu, you'll see an option that says Create a Shortcut. Click on it and a small dialog box will pop up asking you to name your shortcut. You can leave it as the default name or customize it to something that works better for you, like Copilot or AI Assistant. Once you've decided on a name, click the Create button. This will place a shortcut icon directly on your desktop, allowing you to launch Microsoft Copilot with just a double click whenever you need it. But we're not done yet. To also add Copilot to your taskbar for even faster access, you'll need to click on the three-dot menu icon again in the upper right corner. Once the drop-down menu appears, click on Cast, Save and Share one more time to access those same sharing and saving options. This time, look for the option that says Install Page as App and click on it. A new window will appear, prompting you to give the app a name. You can use the default name or type in whatever you prefer. After entering your desired name, click the Install button. This action will install Microsoft Copilot as a standalone application on your computer, which means it will behave just like any other installed app and will automatically pin itself to your taskbar for quick access. And that's it. You've successfully added Microsoft Copilot to both your desktop and taskbar, making it incredibly easy to access whenever you need AI assistance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.